California has just released new and revised notification levels for 4 PFAS substances. Those chemicals are PFOA, PFOS, PFHXS, I don't know how to say chemical names, PFHXA. The Reporting in Public CEO, which you can find linked on the PFAS Pulse, has a helpful table which lists the notification levels compared to federal MCLs. MCL standing for maximum contaminant level. For PFOA, the notification level is now 4 parts per trillion, whereas the federal MCL matches that. Similarly, with PFOS, the notification level matches the federal MCL, which is 4 parts per trillion. We have for PFH lowercase xs, 3 parts per trillion as a notification level, whereas the federal MCL is 10 parts per trillion. Then we jump down to PFH lowercase x a at 1,000 parts per trillion for the notification level. Notably, there is no current federal MCL for this chemical. And lastly, we have PFBS, which was not in this newer revised one, but has a 500 parts per trillion notification level and is on the federal MCL hazard index, as noted in the table, which you can find linked on the PFAS Pulse. Very important to note that these are health-based advisory levels, not state MCLs. MCLs are a mandatory legal enforcement, whereas these health advisories are just that. They are notifications. These notification levels do mandate specific action from state agencies, which again consists primarily of notifying other specific bodies, but in certain circumstances, if the contaminant levels exceed certain levels, then certain water supplies may be taken offline. But again, we are in a far less stringent and far more bureaucratic morass than you would find with the MCL levels, which are the real deal. And what's also very important to keep in mind is that we are talking about 5 PFAS chemicals, and as returning viewers will remember, there are tens of thousands of PFAS chemicals at a minimum. You can find links to the full article at hrpassociates.com/pulse.